Hello, in this video we will see the way we write alphabet A. As you can see here on the right side of the screen, we can read, let's finish first, A, U, E, A, E, L, O. So here I am going to show you how to write A, U, E, A, E, L, O. So A is written like this. So I will make 7. And this is the last one. So I will add some other features to make the trailing alphabets. For example, this is A, right? This is A, but if I add this line here, it reads U. E, add this line and go down and turn right. E. A is like E, except that we don't have this line. A. A is like A first, and then add A around here. Add just add this line here, and O, a kind of slanted line from this. So the way we write is A, U, E, A, E, L, O. Okay, like that. So if we correlate it with this, this is A, this is O, this is A here, O, E, A, E, L, and finally O. So many people, they don't read it, pronounce it properly. They call it A. A is different. We've seen A previously, but this is A. So you have to practice reading it properly. A, not A. U, not U. E, not E. A, not A. E, not E. L, not L, not L, sorry. And then finally, O, O, but not O. All right, I will come with other video. Thank you.